I'm on my way to meet my newest home buyers, Helen and Anthony.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Hi. Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing fabulous. You guys need some caffeine?
Yes.
Please. There you go.
Thank you.
Well, thank you, sir.
Why am I here? Did you guys win some sort of money? Do we have an inheritance happening?
He won the lottery
Oh.
A couple times.
3 times in 1 year.
So you won the lottery 3 times?
Yeah.
Seriously?
In a year.
The first one was $16,407.
Okay.
Yeah, and then $10,000.
Okay.
And the next one, I was scratching and
How much was it?
$3 million. Yeah. So I texted my wife saying, okay, baby, we did it. Call David.
Wow.
We're agreeable on more or less how the house and everything looks.
Let's talk
but
about that then.
Where
Let's talk
it's
about
gonna
that.
be.
Basement.
Basement.
Is that like
Gotta have a
like a
basement.
normal thing here? in
Absolutely.
Canada?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. 2 to 3 bedrooms, at least 2 baths.
Okay.
At least.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Obviously, we want property.
Yes.
You want city living. Can we look like on the edge of city?
If we're going out of the city, it has to have a pool.
Done.
Has to.
Done.
100%.
How much cash are we snagging here?
1.5.
What's your version?
Up to $2 million.
$2 million.
No.
I'll take the $2 million. I'm practically drooling at some of these properties. And with a gigantic budget of up to $2 million, I'm starting with this super bougie one. Duntroon Drive is an amazing waterfront property on the Detroit River. It is absolutely epic, and the price is really fantastic at just $100 shy of 1.6 million Canadian dollars. How do you guys like this area? Do you know this? Do you know this area?
Yes, it's beautiful.
So you know what's on the other side of this house,
I
don't you?
do.
The views.
I never thought about water views before.
Let me tell you a little bit about the house.
Okay.
Duntroon Drive has 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, 2,300 delicious square feet. But the price is pretty fantastic at just $100 shy of 1.6 million Canadian dollars.
There you go.
Oh, look at that view.
Isn't it good?
Beautiful.
Can we go see the view?
Oh, she's just walking without me.
Oh,
It
the
is.
sunsets will be beautiful from here.
Isn't it stunning?
It's beautiful.
Right? But look at this whole entire
Nice
boat.
kitchen.
It's a nice kitchen. I love the cupboards.
Beverage fridge.
What is this?
With wine.
That is a microwave.
That's a microwave?
I know. She's fancy.
Wow.
Isn't this cute?
Oh, this is really nice. Oh, look at the view.
Check it.
Could you imagine waking up and rolling
Sitting
over
out
and
there
looking
every
at
day.
that? Have my coffee out there?
Why don't you guys check out the main bathroom?
All right.
Lead the way.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, whoa. This
That's
is nice.
nice.
Look at this. This is gorgeous.
Sit there,
Wow.
glass of wine.
Oh my God. This is beautiful.
The view. Isn't this lovely?
Wow.
This is the outside space we need.
I love the waterfront. It's not something I ever thought I would want, but I love it.
Good. What can I do for tomorrow? Do we want to go see something a little farther out if it has a pool?
Yes.
Welcome to the country, my loves.
We're definitely in the country.
Yeah, we are. You're not buying it yet, are you?
I'm not
No.
yet, not
Yeah.
yet. But the house is really pretty.
And there's obviously a pool. I would not have dragged you 40 minutes
I'm
outside of
looking
Windsor.
forward to seeing a pool.
Okay, let me tell you about the house. So Rivendell Road, it's 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, 4,800 square feet.
That's big.
Sits on 3.25 acres. So much space.
That's a lot of yard work.
It's a lot of yard work.
No.
But you know what? You guys are millionaires over and over
We
and
got
over
lots of
again.
time.
You got lots of money.
Okay.
This is coming direct from the builder, so it's beautiful high-end finishes for a lot less money than normal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Want to hear the price?
Yes.
1.8 million Canadian dollars.
That's a little bit higher than what I was hoping for, David.
It's beautiful.
Let's just show you the house.
Okay.
And let's see what you think. Come on in, my darling. Now, this would be classified as a great room.
It is a great room.
It's a great room, all right.
I was not expecting this. I need this in my life.
Right?
It's
Isn't it
really,
fun?
really, really pretty.
Wow.
I like the lights. The lights
It's-
are nice.
Our house right now could fit just in this space.
That's
Absolutely.
amazing.
And we'd
Still
have
have-
extra left over. Wow, this is big. It's
It's
definitely something I've never seen before. I like it. It's
very modern.
Yeah.
Yesterday was all the stone and the wood,
Yeah.
and this is
This is really nice.
Check out the main bathroom.
Wow.
Look at this. Oh my God, look at the size of this.
This is huge.
But the basement isn't quite as finished. Still under construction, so keep an open mind. Look
Wow,
at
this is a huge space.
It's huge. Put a few more bedrooms down here. You could put a few bathrooms.
We're not strangers to renovations.
Good.
We're
we're
okay
still
with that.
young.
We could have a lot of parties out here.
Look
I
at
know.
the space out here, though.
Yeah, that doesn't, this,
Now, do you see the golf course back over there? So
Yes.
your property line goes all the way back.
that's a lot of space.
Yeah.
The boys will have a lot of fun.
100%. All right, so tomorrow, obviously, we've looked at very different houses.
Yes.
What can I do different for tomorrow?
Maybe something not quite so isolated.
Okay.
With a few neighbors.
Anthony, are you okay with that?
Yes, yeah.
I have a beautiful property and on the golf course. Montero Manor is spectacular. It has an amazing finished basement, beautiful finishes. I have no notes. Hi.
Hi. Good
We're in
morning.
a neighborhood.
And it's a beautiful neighborhood.
Isn't it
Nice neighborhood.
gorgeous?
It is.
Montero Manor has 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Hello.
That's big.
Yeah.
Has 3,600 square feet. That does not include the basement. Want to hear the price?
Yes.
Just shy of 1.9.
Oh,
I
Very
know.
nice.
Wow. Whew, it's everywhere. Those
That's
lights
nice.
are so pretty.
They're gorgeous.
They are.
We have a lot to look at.
Okay.
Beautiful dining area
This is
here.
nice.
10 people
Oh
easy.
my. Look at
the
size
size.
of this island.
It's like a bowling
It's a,
alley.
yeah, I was just gonna say that.
Probably the
huge.
longest island I've ever seen.
It is gorgeous.
Get into it.
Wow.
Thank you.
Have fun. Explore.
What is this? This is nice.
It's
Yes.
gas now.
It's
Everything.
The hood is stunning.
Very nice.
This right here is the nice,
That-
good.
That is really
15
nice.
grand right
That's
there.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Insane.
Yeah.
And the fabulousness continues downstairs in the basement.
Wow.
This is a little bounce chihuahua.
It's finished to the same high standard as upstairs. Everything down here is absolutely delish.
Wow. Now that's
This is
Yes.
so nice.
Isn't this fun?
Yes.
beautiful.
Oh boy. Oh, this
Oh,
is nice.
oh, it's a bed.
It's immaculate, of course, but the ensuite is next level bougie.
Wow.
Whoa.
This is the biggest bathroom I've ever
Look
seen.
at the size of the tub.
This is huge.
Is
It's
a
luxury.
$2 million bathroom.
Yes.
This is gorgeous.
This, it looks like a showroom.
You guys feeling like billionaires in this
Yeah,
house?
the only thing
Yes.
I would add is a champagne
That's sweet.
station. Then you can just go out there and
Sit right
enjoy
there.
it.
Should we go out there?
Absolutely.
Of course, right?
This is nice.
Nice, nice, nice. But still, there's no acreage.
But here's the wonderful thing. It's done.
I love
And the
everything about it.
I know.
I do.
I gave you 3 options of houses. Do you want to see some more?
No, I think I've made my decision.
Oh, you.
Oh, did you make mine too?
Well, this should be interesting.
Yes.
Let the arguing begin.
All right. This is the fun part.
I'm so curious who's gonna win. You guys ready to get into a house?
Oh, yes.
Absolutely.
Very exciting. So we looked at a house in Windsor, right on the water. Duntroon Drive.
The kitchen was gorgeous.
Yeah. Because
Really
of
did.
the darker woods, it just
Yeah.
felt really cozy.
It was very cozy.
Yeah, and the view.
That's
That's
your
what you
$1 million
pay for.
view.
Yeah.
You can't buy that anywhere else. It's
Right.
just there.
But wanted to make Anthony happy. So tell me what you guys loved about Rivendell Road.
The house was huge. It was beautiful.
Inside was stunning.
It really was pretty. The pool, it was more than what I was hoping for. It
You
was
did it. Good
beautiful.
job. And a lot, we can put our mark on.
Especially the
Yeah.
the landscaping.
My dream space.
That's pretty cool. Mm-hmm. So you said, show me something, but with people around. Montero Manor was
I
kind of
loved
amazing.
it.
It was a 20-foot island for crying out
20-foot
loud.
I didn't
island
know I
and
needed that in my life, but apparently I do.
$70,000 worth of appliances.
Yeah.
But, yeah,
But here we are.
Yeah.
So
Well,
We chose Rivendell Road.
you gave in.
It had main floor living, something both of us wanted and needed.
Like it gave you the space that you needed.
The pool and the back area around the pool is stunning.
Perfect for both of us.
Yeah.
It really is.
Yeah. You're officially a country girl.
I don't know how I feel about that.
This house is just the best of all three put together.
Rivendell gives us the best of everything.
Thank you very much for letting me have
So
it.
cute. This is everything.
Yeah.
It hits all the boxes.
Oh,
They here.
look at that.
We loved our house. We raised our kids there. Our grandkids knew that house as home.
Hi, guys. Hey.
Hello.
Now they know this is home. They come over. So much
whole
space for
family's
everybody.
in one house. Now we got the house of our dreams.
We do.
Love it. Love it.
David, thank you for finding us this beautiful home. Even though it's out in the country, it's not that bad of a drive.
No, it's good. Cheers.
Salute.